Hey, I'm looking for a Jack.
A Jack?
Yeah, Jack Mehoff.
No, you better run. This is McDonald's.
Oh, okay, then in that case, I would like an extra large pepperoni pizza.
Can you mama hear you?
Oh, say that again, sorry. No. Hello? Lady, I am not like to be disrespected like this. Can you see my head nodded right now? Cause I am mad. Oh, I hung up. Hello.
Hi.
Hey, how you doing today?
Very good.
Good? But, okay, before I ask anything, guess what?
Huh?
Guess what?
What?
Chicken butt. Oh.